I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix broken zipper teeth on a jacket. First, carefully examine your zipper to understand the damage. Is it just a few bent teeth, or are some completely missing? Knowing the problem helps you choose the right repair method. You'll want to have some basic tools ready, such as small needle nose pliers, a sturdy needle, and durable thread. A thorough assessment is the crucial first step to a successful repair. If your zipper teeth are merely bent or slightly misaligned, a simple tool can often fix the issue. Take a pair of small needle nose pliers and very gently grip each bent tooth. Carefully bend it back into its original straight position. Work slowly and methodically, ensuring each tooth aligns perfectly with its neighbors. This precision helps the slider move smoothly without catching. Patience is key here to avoid causing further damage to the delicate teeth. When teeth are completely missing, the repair becomes a bit more involved. One effective solution is to replace the entire zipper slider, which can often bypass the damaged section. If only a small segment of teeth is missing near the top or bottom, you can sew a new zipper stop just above or below the gap. For few isolated missing teeth, a small, sturdy fabric patch sewn over the area can sometimes provide enough stability to keep the zipper functional. These methods offer practical ways to extend your jacket's life. To keep your jacket's zipper working smoothly and prevent future issues, regular maintenance is essential. Periodically clean the zipper teeth using a small brush and a bit of mild soap to remove dirt and debris. Applying a small amount of zipper wax, like beeswax, or a specialized lubricant can significantly improve slider movement. Most importantly, never force a stuck zipper. Doing so can easily bend or break teeth. Gentle care ensures your zip remains functional for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.